with my dog and gun through the blooming heather to seek for pastime, I chanced to stray. When a maid I spied, she was tall and slender, her looks enticed me a while to stay. Says I, my fair maid, I own I love you. Tell me your name and your dwelling also. Excuse my name, sir, you'll find my dwelling by the mountain stream where the moorcocks crow. If you'd consent to go with a rover, my former rakings I would leave aside. I'm doomed to love you, so don't prove cruel, but do consent and become my bride. If my parents knew that I loved a rover, severe afflictions I would undergo. Chained in a dungeon, they would close confine me by the mountain stream where the moorcocks crow. Oh, it's crimson colored, all her features. She stood a while, but was not dismayed. Then here's my hand, love, I'll pledge my honor, and I'll prove true till I meet my grave. If you will come around and visit my parents, lest a hasty marriage should produce a foe, I will stay at home for another season by the mountain stream where the moorcocks crow. Then I'll bid adieu to Scotch hills and valleys, to yon mountain streams and yon flowery vales. And when we meet, love, will embrace each other, and I'll pay attention to your love-sick tales. It's hand in hand we will roam together, and I will escort you to the plains below, where the linnet sings her notes so pleasing by the mountain stream where the moorcocks crow.